Day 31, a new week, and you are about to witness something special. We are closing off the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc trade, and we are doing it in profit. You can see it was a big green candle today. We needed it. We really did. Last time we checked, I think we were around about $30 down. Now $55, 18 cents up. What a day. What a trade. Let's just come down a little bit. We will close it off now, and we can take that money to the bank. That's how it's meant to work. 4 days we're in the trade until we get the boost, and we can't ask for much more than that. So now that at last we've got our winning trade, it does mean we have no other trades open at the moment, but we've got a taste for it now. Only after 6 weeks, the Euro Great British Pound backs off the signal again. So RSI does keep making higher highs. Maybe we see the bounce tomorrow. Just don't want it to go above the moving average, otherwise we lose the signal. So close. And we certainly do get a signal. It is a buy signal on the US dollar Japanese yen pair. That RSI, it has come down to 3.52, and you can see how far price is above the moving average, about 350 pips. So that's at least one signal we got. Just make sure we haven't got any others to clash with it. The Canadian dollar yen getting close to the same signal. Not quite though. RSI is just above 6. The euro Canadian dollar very close to a signal. Price below the moving average. RSI up at 94.13. Any sort of green day tomorrow and we should get that sell signal. No competing signals, and so it'll be a buy on the US dollar Japanese yen. Let's grab that ATR. 65.4 pips is the figure. 1% risk per that distance from our entry price, which does mean the volume will be 0.15 lots. And we can buy right into another one. Hopefully it can do it just as well as our New Zealand dollar Swiss franc trade did. And maybe we can start clawing back those losses, $50 at a time. We'll be back tomorrow to find out how we're getting on. Day 32. No luck so far with our US dollar Japanese yen. We're in a buy trade, but the candle is red. So we're down about $50. And the RSI gets all the way to 1.41. Surely there's got to be a return for us soon. 5-period average still above the entry price. Plenty of time for us to still get profit, but nothing for us to do now. Let's have a look at the other charts, see if we got any trades. Might get the Euro Great British Pound taking another run at 95 soon. Euro Japanese yen almost coming with the signal. RSI down at 10.04, and we might see a few like this. Yeah, Swiss franc Japanese yen almost doing it as well. RSI 10.72 if you see a red day there. But we are back in the US dollar to get us there against the yen for now. Australian dollar yen RSI at 8.08. Same situation, although price is close to the moving average here. Would be in danger of getting that signal filtered out. Canadian dollar yen RSI at 2.69. The Euro Australian dollar so close to a sell signal at 91.45 on the RSI. But you do fear that if it does get into the overbought territory above 95, it'll also go above the moving average, price will, and so it'll be a no entry signal. Signal is coming in on the Euro Canadian dollar though. RSI 96.06. It's been creeping up over the last couple of weeks. And now with price comfortably below the moving average, we do get a signal, and this is our inspiration. No other trades that want to step in, so we are free to take this sell trade on the Euro Canadian. The ATR is reading 82 pips exactly. That's what we'll measure our risk to. And you can see how it's calculated on screen. 0.13 standard lots is the measure, and it's a sell trade. So now we got 2 horses in the race, 2 trades, 4 currencies, double the trades, double the luck. Let's come back tomorrow at 24 hours time, see how these trades are coming along. Day 33, business picking up for us. We got 2 positive trades down here. Let's start with the US dollar Japanese yen. What a day for the US dollar. This is the exact kind of trade we want. Only had one brief day go against us before it has shot up today. So now it is comfortably above the 5-period moving average. We can shut it down. $88.60 from the trade, less 66 cents from the swap, and $2.26 commission. That's the profit of $85.68. Really good trade for us. Euro Canadian dollar only got in this one last night, and we are going to be closing this one off as well. It's a sell trade, and price has rocketed down, and we're going to get decent profits from this one as well. There we go, 78.25 plus a 21-cent swap and less $1.96 for commission. Really nice. Between both trades, $162.18. It gets us a bit back in it. We were $424 down. Now you can make that $262. A long way to go still, but at least we're headed in the right direction now. And after closing those trades, all 8 currencies are open again. So let's have a look through the charts and see if we've got any new signals. The euro yen getting close now. Just needs a bit more of a push, but not enough to get below the moving average. No actual entries for us though. That's fine. We don't mind being patient as long as we're going to get those good trades. And what a week it's turning out for us. For the first 6 weeks, we had no trades at all that had taken profit. And now we've got 3 in this week. If we can get 3 every week from now, well, I expect to see a lot of profits. We'll be back tomorrow to see if we get some more. Day 34. No open trades for us, but maybe we do have an entry or 2 waiting for us. Let's go check out the charts. And the euro Japanese yen has come in with the signal. We've had a price come down enough that it puts the RSI beneath 5, 4.07 right now, but not enough that it's pushed it beneath the moving average. So we get a buy signal. Pound yen doesn't get that RSI at 11.53. US dollar Canadian dollar gets into overbought territory. The price has been pushing so much the last few periods that it is now quite a bit above the moving average. US dollar Japanese yen still pushing a bit. Took profit on it yesterday. Now a little bit of another green candle. And the euro Canadian dollar reversed today, so we got out in a really good position to take profits yesterday. Solid stuff. Price now back above the 5-period average. It's demonstrating the kind of trades we want, quick in and out. New Zealand dollar Japanese yen comes close to the same signal as well. RSI beneath 10 just about, but it's going to need a couple more red days to get to beneath 5. The New Zealand dollar Swiss franc as well got out of that one at the peak. You can see we caught a retracement there in a buy trade. That's where we closed out, and since then 3 red days. In terms of our actual entry signals tonight though, just the euro Japanese yen, so we can line up a buy trade here. Average true range 84.7 pips, and that does mean it's going to be at 0.12 standard lots with a risk of 1% per 1 times ATR value. Let's buy the asset and we'll hope for a quick return. A couple of these kind of green candles that just boost us up, get us some profits. Had a bit more fortune this week, so hopefully that continues for the next day and before the weekend. See if we can jam out one more trade to the good. We'll come back tomorrow. Day 35, it's the end of the week, and we couldn't get a winner just yet out of this euro-yen pair. Price has come below the 200 moving average. We're not going to close it. We are going to wait for the mean reversion and get it back beyond the 5-period moving average, whenever that may be. RSI now down at 1.66. Nothing for us to do. Let's see if we've got any trades. Swiss franc Japanese yen still almost coming with that signal. RSI down at about 11.12. Strong red day against the franc will give a buy signal, but probably it would also likely push our euro yen further away from closing. So while we're in the euro yen trade, we're unlikely to be able to get one in the Swiss franc Japanese yen. The euro and franc do move pretty closely together. Almost a sell signal on the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Didn't have much luck last time we were in. Ended up having to close it up there. But maybe if we get one more green day just like this, could line up nice for us. After we got out, the market did sell off a bit more last time. Could be due another run. That is it though. Not really much occurring on the charts for us tonight. And certainly no entry signals. 72 hours time before we'll be back. Let's just finish off the week with a look at the journal. Really good week for us. By far the best one. Clearly 3 winning trades, our only 3 winning trades, and they've all come in week 7. So we took back about $200. Puts us now down $262.29, which is looking better. And I know our euro yen trades down at the moment, but if that could put in a shift as well, make a decent comeback, maybe get us $50 like that New Zealand dollar Swiss franc trade did, be quite happy with that. We're starting to think that this strategy was not even going to pick up a winning trade, but now we're rolling. So with a few more trade entries and a serious amount of luck, maybe we can get it back into profit. Who knows? $200 last week, $200 next week, and the week after, so on and so forth every week. Yeah, well, that'll make us some profit, all right? Let's catch up on it after the weekend.